Here's another question that keeps popping up over and over again, and that is, what is the safest stairway? Now, this is just my personal opinion, and I'm basing this entirely off of the momentum that someone would have while they were rolling down a stairway. For example, if you have a stairway like this, and you've seen it plenty of times in the movies where someone is at the top and they roll all the way down to the bottom. And if that stairway was longer, there's a very good chance they would continue to roll farther. That's what I mean by the momentum gathered as you're rolling down the stairway. You could actually start rolling down it faster. So the longer the stairway, the farther you can actually fall. So what we would want to do would be to reduce the length of the stairway, and or like this one here where we have a longer stairway, have some type of a landing in it. So if we fell, we could actually stop here. Now, this is a building code requirement. If you're going to build a stairway like this, I believe you can't have more than 12 vertical feet from the distance between the lower floor and any step in the stairway before you would have to put a landing in it. And again, the length of the landing is going to be important also. So if you have a landing that's only 3 feet, somebody could actually roll down here with enough momentum and then roll a little further and then continue rolling down. So the length of the landing here, the longer it is, the more area you're going to provide the individual to slow down with instead of continuing down the rest of the way. And I believe that's what the building code is meant to do. So let's go ahead and take another view here. So a stairway like this, you could roll down and then continue rolling down because the landing wouldn't be long enough. Now, this one here is what I'm going to suggest out of all of them is the safest because it has the fewest steps and the largest area. So if you could imagine a stairway like this on the inside of a home, it's going to have walls around it or some type of a guardrail. So it's not like you're going to roll down here and then roll off. Otherwise, it wouldn't be that safe of a stairway. So something like this, good chance you're going to roll down, you're going to stop. You're either going to hit the wall or kind of just kerplunk here. You're not going to roll down here, do a somersault and roll down the rest of the way. Probably not going to happen. Now, if you have a step in the landing, you could actually roll down and then roll down. You're going to have a little more momentum. If you roll down the stairway and you hit the wall, you're going to stop. But this one here, just kind of from a common sense approach, provides you with a little more area to gain some momentum to maybe roll down and then just come one more step further. It would be highly improbable that you're going to roll down here, and then roll down there. I don't think that would happen. Now, on an L-shaped set of stairs, this could be a little more dangerous because you could see where you could kind of roll down this and even hit something, bounce off of it, and then continue rolling down. So take it for what it is worth. Remember, this is just a common sense approach to something. I have not done 12 years of study on stairway safety. I do actually have a book that provides us with a lot of information on stairway safety, and I haven't read it because it's a lot of reading. And obviously, this is not going to be a popular video. I realize a lot of people are concerned or have concerns about stairway safety and would like to build the safest set of stairs. But a lot of times our building designs are going to be limited to the space that that particular stairway will fit into. And if it's a straight set of stairs, then you are not going to be putting in a set of stairs with a landing. So there are things that we can do, remember, to make our stairs safer. If you do go with a stairway that's going to have a longer run before it enters into a landing platform or floor, then make sure that you have grippable handrails, maybe grippable handrails on each side. And then, of course, in my opinion, the biggest problem you're going to have with a set of stairs is what type of treads you have, what type of steps. If you have smooth and shiny steps where people can slip on, very good chance they are going to slip down the stairs.